Hello everyone, this is Andy with Intelligent Video Solutions, and in this short video we're going to talk about the different ways that you can utilize VALT videos in your learning management system. There's three ways we'll discuss. The first is using the URL of an actual VALT video within the LMS. The second is using the sharing link from VALT. And the third is actually downloading a video out of VALT and uploading it into your LMS. So we'll start with the first one, the URL of a VALT video. You can see here I have a test course already set up in Moodle, the LMS that we use at IBS. And this first video is the actual URL of a VALT video. So if I open this up, it'll say this is what it looks like if you were to link a VALT video in your LMS. So taking the actual URL of a video. So to set this up, what I did was I opened up VALT. I went to review. I found the video I was looking to link, and I grabbed the actual URL from the top. Then within my course, when I click this, I'm actually accessing that URL. As you can see here, it opens up the exact video that I linked to. Now, a few things about this method. I'm actually accessing VALT. I'm not viewing this in the LMS itself. I'm accessing VALT, which means I need to be on the VALT network. So you need to be viewing this from the same network that you access VALT regularly. You also need credentials to VALT because I have to log into it. But you can see that I didn't type in my username and password. So the best method really is to utilize single sign-on for both the LMS and for VALT. So it's a smooth transition from one to the other. Also, the nice thing about utilizing the URL instead of the sharing link is I do have access to all the different tools, evaluation templates, information templates, and anything else that I would normally use in VALT because I did log into the application. So that's utilizing the URL itself, not a sharing link. If we go back to our course, the next one is utilizing the sharing link. So the sharing link, for me, it's going to look kind of the same when I go to this because I actually do have credentials for VALT. But the beautiful thing about utilizing the sharing link is this might be used for people who don't have credentials to VALT. So the sharing link, which we access right through here, provides a link where anybody can view this then. So if students don't access VALT itself, they only access the learning management system, give them access to the sharing link, and they can still view the video. Some of the downfalls of this would be they wouldn't have access to the tools in VALT because, again, they don't have access to them regularly. You still would, though, have to be on the VALT network in order to view this because I'm viewing it in VALT, not in the learning management system. So the first one and the second one, the URL and the sharing link, are very similar. The difference being somebody might have credentials or they need credentials for the URL. They might not have credentials if you're just utilizing the sharing link. Go back to our LMS. And the last option, MP4 video upload from VALT. So if I go back to VALT, I go back to my review. If there's a video that we need people to be able to view in the LMS itself, not access VALT, then we can download it right from here. And once we have it downloaded, we can go into our LMS itself and upload it. So this video right here is already been uploaded, so I don't have to access VALT. I can hit play and the video starts playing. So again, some of the pros of this is I get to view this video in my learning management system itself. I don't have to access VALT, so I could view this anywhere. So if you only have VALT running on a certain network, it wouldn't matter. If your LMS is cloud-based, you can access this wherever because we removed it from VALT. However, you won't have access to some of the tools that you would have if you were actually logging into VALT itself. So to recap, there's three options if you want to view VALT videos within your learning management system. You can include the URL of a VALT video. Keep in mind, this is accessible only on that network that VALT is running on. You're able to view templates and other VALT tools, so if you want people to actually interact with those, you can do that through the URL of the VALT video. It does require VALT credentials though, because you are logging into VALT. So the best way to do this is provision single sign-on for both your LMS and for VALT, so it's seamlessly logging you in. Second option is the sharing link to a VALT video. This is still only accessible on the VALT network, There's no access to templates and other Vault tools if you wouldn't regularly have access to those, because this might be for students who don't normally access Vault, they just access the LMS. And it does not require Vault credentials, so anybody could actually access the sharing link. And lastly, the MP4, download out of Vault and upload into your LMS. This is disassociated from your Vault network, so you can view this anywhere where you can access your LMS. It doesn't matter if you're on the same network as Vault because we removed it from Vault. It's viewable within the LMS. I don't need to access another site. And there's no access to templates and other Vault tools. You're just viewing the video that was actually downloaded out of Vault. So those are the 3 options to view Vault content within your learning management system.